Attention, all cryptocurrency traders and investors. Are you looking for the best way to create generational wealth and have financial success? Picture this. 3 traders enter the volatile world of crypto. One loses half of their investment, another breaks even, and the third makes gains right from the start. They are all trying to build a path to wealth and financial freedom. What separates them? It's not luck. What is it? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Jay, a professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My mission is to help you achieve your financial goals and become financially free by teaching you strategies that actually work for building wealth. In this video, we'll explore 3 unique strategies that 3 crypto traders and investors used to succeed in building their wealth even after some of them failed. In addition, I want to teach you how you can adopt your own personal strategy when it comes to trading and investing in cryptocurrency. Let's begin with trading strategy number 1, trading the narratives. Meet Emma. She started with $5,000 and lost half of it in her first 6 months chasing hype and trading on emotion. But instead of giving up, she adopted a strategy of gaining insights on hot and upcoming narratives through charts and research. Her research allowed her to get in and buy more of those blue chip cryptocurrency projects before others bought in. In addition, Emma began journaling every trade, reflecting on her decisions, emotions, and outcomes. She learned not to jump right in after the big hype plays when everyone else was buying. Instead, she focused on cryptocurrency projects that had great fundamentals and technicals and making her entries and exit moves at the right times. She also learned to stay calm during the market corrections and grounded during bull runs. Now, she is making financial gains trading the narratives in the market. Now, strategy number 2 is phenomenal, but first, let's look at some of the practical tips for the strategy that Emma adopted. Here they are. First, start your own trading journal. Write down not just numbers, but your emotions and the decisions you have made for the specific trade. Next, study and research the narratives that are coming and are here to stay for a period of time. This practice will give you clarity and emotional resilience when the market gets volatile. It will also give you your targets for entering a trade and when to take profits. Now, let's look at strategy number 2, less is more. Let me introduce you to Raj, who took a different path. Early on, he made the mistake of spreading himself thin, investing in dozens of coins without completely understanding them. His portfolio was full of potential but chaotic, and so were his results. He ended up breaking even with a combination of some wins and losses. But then, he adopted the principle less is more. Raj narrowed his focus to 5 to 7 coins that he deeply researched, balancing risk and reward. He was also able to regularly watch and manage the charts of the coins he selected. Now, he is making financial gains in the market. And by concentrating on a few quality investments and trades, Raj avoided unnecessary risks and has more control over his portfolio. He learned that understanding a few projects beats chasing every trend. So here's a practical tip for the strategy that Raj adopted. Choose quality over quantity. Research a handful of projects that you believe in. Diversification is important, but over-diversification can dilute your results. Watch closely and have regular alerts for the coins that you are trading. Now, let's look at strategy number 3, the hybrid strategy. Sarah is an investor and a hybrid trader who plays more of the long game. She doesn't obsess over daily charts or fall for the hype. Instead, she builds her portfolio during bear markets, holds through turbulence, and strategically takes profits in bull runs. She's been building her wealth and making financial gains right from the get-go. Her mantra: don't let the future disturb you. You will meet it if you have to with the same weapons of reason. By setting clear long-term goals and sticking to them, Sarah avoids emotional decisions and quick gains. So, here's a practical tip for the strategy that Sarah adopted. Set long-term goals for your portfolio. Decide when to take profits and when to hold so you're not tempted to act impulsively during market fluctuations. Look for longer or mid-term trades based on the charts. then execute and stick to your strategy and plan. So as a result, these 3 traders succeeded because they found a reliable and effective trading strategy. They also had emotional resilience, focus, and a disciplined mindset. Although they have different strategies and some fail before succeeding, they are all learning how to create financial success and wealth, getting them one step closer to financial freedom. So, which strategy are you looking to adopt? Perhaps it's a combination of all 3. Let me know in the comments below. If these strategies inspired you, tell one person about it. My mission is to help ambitious individuals achieve their financial goals and become financially free by teaching them specific strategies that actually work for building wealth. Things they don't teach you in school or college. In the Financial Freedom Academy, we have transformed thousands of people's lives by turning their dreams of being financially free and living the life they desire into a reality. Subscribe to our free newsletter at the Financial Freedom Academy. Click the link below to your health, wealth, and success.